or dear children, symptoms of ADHD also cause not only children but also adults also. In adults, following symptoms may be observed, may be seen correctly, देखे गए हैं. Number 1, they may have anxiety attacks. उन्हें किसी प्रकार की एंजाइटी का अटैक हो जाता है. They may be impulsive. वे बहुत फ्यूरियस हो जाते हैं. They may have problems in controlling anger. It means the adults are not eligible to control his or her anger. They usually have low self-esteem. They feel that we are condemned or valueless person. Next one is, they usually remain unorganized. वो अक्सर अनऑर्गेनाइज रहते हैं. They are easily frustrated. वो आसानी से फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. उनके अंदर बेचैनी आ जाती है. मूड स्विंग्स एंड डिप्रेशन आर कॉमन इन सच एडल्ट. उनका मूड स्विंग होता है और वो हमेशा डिप्रेशन में आ जाते हैं. ऐसी पोजीशन हमने बच्चों एडल्ट्स लोगों में ज़रा देखी है. किसी ने कुछ कह दिया तो नाराज हो गए. They have problem in concentrating, especially while reading, writing and speaking also. So they have commit mistakes each and everywhere. So the next causes of ADHD is unknown for the factor that have some able to play ADHD below. So, my dear children, write these videos in your notebook and check it for some time. Besides this, some factors are unknown, such as number 1, genetic factors. Research studies have indicated, research की studies ये आपको बताती है that there is a strong genetic link in ADHD. कि जेनेटिक का बहुत बड़ा ADHD में लिंक है. It is not a disorder that is passed socially. Research studies indicate that parents, siblings and children of people with ADHD may be up to 5 times more likely to have the disorder than people. Next, brain injuries. When a baby's brain is damaged before or afterwards, it could make the baby more likely to develop ADHD later on. No doubt at all. वो इससे प्रभावित होगा आगे बढ़ने. Low birth weight. It is observed that children with low birth weight are more likely to develop ADHD. Next one, trauma and brain diseases. Trauma during the birth and brain diseases may lead to ADHD. Next one, lack of discipline in the family. These type of children are not able to maintain discipline in the family as well as in the society also. Diet. There are a number of evidences which reveals that, हमको बताते हैं that taking a particular type of food or food activities play a significant role in causing ADHD. Exposure of toxic substances. This is the last item. Exposure to some toxic substances may also lead to disorder. Smoking alcohol or drug abuse during pregnancy and also affect the work for a long time. So my children, I again advise you to write these videos in your notebook and come to school for checking. Thanks, have a nice day.